Hello, welcome you all. I am C. Pravina. In this presentation, we are going to see about the working of solar furnace. First of all, what are solar furnaces? Solar furnace is a device that uses an array of mirrors to redirect and concentrate the sun rays onto a small surface area, thus producing extremely high temperature. The temperature can high as 3500 degrees Celsius. Next, the working of solar furnace. In this working process, we can use two type of mirrors. One is plane mirror and the other is parabolic mirror. The plane mirror, which is also known as heliostat, is angled such that its direct parallel beam of light to the parabolic mirror. The parabolic mirror then brings the light beam to focus at the focal point. In this diagram, we can see the sunlight falling on the heliostat, which directs it to the parabolic mirror where a high amount of heat energy is produced. When the number of mirrors increased, then it is possible to attain energy and heat level where one can actually boil water and heat the metals. The amount of energy and efficiency of the solar furnace rely completely on how accurate the mirrors are focused at one point. There are two types of solar furnaces, direct solar furnace and heliostat solar furnace. They are classified into multiple types, single lens direct solar furnace and multiple lens solar furnaces. Next, the uses of solar furnaces. Solar furnace can be used for running steam turbines for solar power plants, can be used for produce hydrogen fuel, and it is used in welding of machine parts, used in perform scientific experiments which require extreme temperature without pollution.